What's up, boys? So one of my TikTok shorts blew up where I talked about emailing every major fishing brand asking for free stuff. The comments went crazy, and a lot of you asked for part 2 explaining how exactly I did it. So here we go. I'm going to break it all down step by step. So first, I literally just Googled each company name plus contact or general inquiry email. Every brand has at least one email address for customer service or questions like you snapped your rod or you lost your bait on a log and you want to scream at somebody. There's an email for that. I made a list of all those emails and dropped them into an Excel sheet. Now, if you want that Excel sheet, here's how you can get it. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, take a screenshot, and send it to me on TikTok, and I'll send you the sheet. Once I had the list, I drafted a really simple message. Nothing crazy, just a polite email introducing myself, saying I love their products, and asking simply if they could send me over some free stuff. I'll put the exact message I use right here on screen so you guys can copy it if you want. Then I just copied and pasted that email, sent it to every address I had in the sheet, and waited. Now, at first, I got a bunch of automatic replies, just AI basically saying, we don't care about your email. Some companies straight up said, sorry, we don't send free stuff. Go jump off a bridge or something. Totally fine. That's expected. But after about a week, I started actually receiving packages. Some brands sent me small items like stickers, like Shimano, like Lunker Hunt. You guys have seen the video. If you haven't, it's on my TikTok. And a couple even surprised me with better stuff than I thought I'd get, like hats and baits. The key here is patience, just like fishing. It wasn't overnight, but it worked. So here's the plan. That was just round 1. For round 2, I'm going bigger. Pause. I'm going to send another wave of emails, but this time I'm going to specifically ask for a fishing rod. The thing is, companies are more likely to say yes if I can show them I have an engaged audience backing me up. So if you guys want to see me pull this off, I need your help. Smash that like button. Let's get this video to, 100 likes. The more support this gets, the stronger my case is when I reach out for a rod. Pause. Subscribe if you haven't already. DM me if you want that Excel sheet, and stay tuned for the results for round 2. Who knows, maybe we'll land that free fishing rod together. All right, peace.